Welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today I'm 3D printing wood. So this is actually the first time I'm trying wood and filament, which is basically a mix between wood and plastic. I'm going to print two different objects and I'm going to treat them with varnish, one light walnut varnish and one dark mahogany varnish. And we'll see how it turns out. So let's get to it. Final result came out quite good. I'm pleased with this. This is the light walnut. Is it very dark? This is the light walnut and it looks good. And this bowl is treated with dark mahogany. This turned out good. I'm pleased, don't you think? I mean, this looks good. It looks like wood, I would say, but then again, it certainly doesn't feel like wood. This is so light. Oh yeah, I'll have all the links down in the description for the varnishes and also the links to the Thingiverse prints I did. Yeah. So check out this B-roll of these items. That's it for this week. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit the thumbs up. I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye.